Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a little show and tell video of a kit that is already listed in my Etsy. I think it is for a week or 4 or 5 now, I'm not sure anymore, but I made this I think somewhere in October and totally forgot to do the show and tell video. It's a farm themed junk journal kit. It's 15 pages. Yeah, and it has lots of fun little farm elements and farm animals on it. And I was inspired by a group member that has a job on a farm. And I talked with her, and I, well, sort of made this kit inspired by her. And you know who you are, so. And I sent her the kit to work with it. She's a very kind lady and she does a lot for others, so I thought, well, maybe I can do something for her in return. But it's also listed, so yay, it's available for everybody. Yeah, farm themed, so a lot of farm elements. Of course, there are vintage elements too, and scripts and everything, because, well, that's what I like. What I especially like, the little cows in this one. Super cute. Yeah, it's a little bit out of my comfort zone maybe, but I really enjoyed making it. So, and this one, I like this guy. He is thinking. He is not mad, not happy, but he's thinking. Little cowie. And there are some lines over here, but I think there's something wrong with my printer head over here, so it's not on the image. It is on my print only. And this is one of my favorite pages. Look how cute. So, and here are the little bits of ephemera. Cutie pie over there. You can layer the tags and do fun stuff. Of course, there are pockets. Then you have a few words and a few cutouts, tags, embellishment pieces, larger tags, straight pockets, postcards. I like this one a lot, and this one. Well, I like them all, but these are my favorites. And then I added a sheet where all the elements are a little bit smaller, so you have like tiny elements to put on the tags and everything. Sorry. I'm still not 100% okay. Fever is gone. I do have a temperature rising every now and then, but not as high as it was. So, but besides this one, because this is obviously not well themed for Christmas, for the upcoming holidays, I also have something fun on my Ko-fi page, and that is 3 sheets with each 6 tags, and they are embroidered. We say in Holland geborduurd. I'm not sure if the camera picks up, but these are embroidered elements. So stitched. And then you have these. I really like these. And these. The little rabbits, bells, a deer, Santa, another deer. So, and these will be available only on my Ko-fi for now, and it's just a small price. And then they can be yours. If you want to donate more, you are welcome to. That's why there is how much you want to, how much do you want to pay. You don't have to do that, of course. You can purchase them for the price they are listed on the Ko-fi. So yeah, that's it for today. Short video, like I said. I'm going to do a little bit more Christmas crafts with the cozy collab, Christmas cozy collab, cozy Christmas collab. I'm switching the words. It is cozy Christmas collaboration, and I'm going to do a little craft with that. And yeah, if you are in the Netherlands, if you're one of the YouTube followers that is located in the Netherlands, and if you know Margaret from Seven Plaza, maybe you already know she's doing a meet and greet at the local craft store, well, our local craft store, because Margaret and I live about 15 minutes drive from each other. And apparently we shop at the same craft store. But she has a meet and greet over there this Saturday, and she will be there from 10 till 4 o'clock. And it's for her, but she did invite me, and she did invite another lady. I don't know her, so I don't know the name. No, I have it somewhere. And also Peggy, the Paper Bumblebee. And she's from, she's one of the design team members too, but she's invited too. So we have a meet and greet with some YouTubers over there. But yeah, we also get to see all the people over there. And I get to, I hope I get to do a little shopping. But yeah, in case you want to visit and come and see, I will link the address of the craft store down below. It's Dooding. They also have a website you can purchase online, and they ship out. And yeah, it's my favorite store. And it's not only because I have the meet and greet now, because I come there for years, for many, many, many years. And actually all the things that I use on my channel, I think 58%, no, 85, sorry, I'm switching it around. 85% comes from that shop. Except for the papers, because I make them myself. But when I have the Tim Holtz stamps and Tim Holtz embellishment things and devices, the stamping platform that I use to use my stamps, the inks that I have, the glue bottle, the glue pin, scissors from Tim Holtz, they are all come from that shop. It's a great shop. You should visit the website. Not sure if they ship also outside the Netherlands. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to be there, so it's very exciting. I hope that I'm going to be very okay. That everything is settled with the pneumonia. But yeah, I'm doing better. So yay! And I'm also trying to reach 5K. I haven't been watching on YouTube a lot today. I'm a little bit behind. I'm not sure if I'm there yet. Maybe I am, not sure. But when I hit 5K, I want to do a giveaway, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tell you about it this month, but I'm going to do it after the Christmas holidays, because sending out packages around Christmas is a no-go. And yeah, then we have time to do videos about the giveaways and how you can enter those giveaways. So yeah, very, very excited about that, because I will, I probably will reach 5K very soon. And I also have to thank Tracy Fox for that, because she posted something in her Facebook group, the Foxy Crafters, about my channel, and I think that really, really helped. So thank you very much, Tracy. Not sure if you're watching, but if you do, I really appreciate it. And we talk soon about the thing that I'm going to help you with. And then, of course, Rachel from Rachel Bella Crafts, she posted something in her Facebook group too, to help me get to 5K in her group. And people responded to that. So yeah, thanks, lovely, for doing that for me too. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we will talk soon too about everything we talk about. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like, subscribe. If you want to be a subscriber, of course, make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, in case you want a farm kit, or in case you want Christmas labels, check out the Etsy, check out the Ko-fi. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.